Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Less for More, the show where I show you how to do DIY projects, to event recipes, photography, travel, and more. But today I want to talk to you, the viewer, about something very special. Now, this segment you may enjoy, ladies. You may enjoy this a little bit more. And gentlemen, this is something you want to keep in mind if you want to pamper your lady, get her in the mood, and make her feel real nice. I'm going to be showing you how you can make a homemade, this is a DIY project, a homemade facial scrub that will not only make you feel vibrant, but will also get rid of wrinkles in your face and leave you ready for an amazing day as you go out the door on your way to success. So let's begin.
Ain't nothing better than watching you smile. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ain't nothing better than watching you laugh out loud, my baby. Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. In your eyes lie the secrets I don't wanna miss. Put your hand in my hand and make a fist. Grab my shirt, curl your lip as if you know. Staring back in my eyes saying please don't go.
So folks, as I said at the outset, we're going to be looking at a deep facial cleanser with stretch mark removing properties that you can make at your home conveniently. So folks, let's jump right in. I've had the display set up. Ladies, I thought you'd appreciate the flower. We have right here 1 cup of brown sugar. We have 1/3 cup of coconut oil and a 1/2 cup of coffee grounds. And with this, we're going to be making a special coffee ground facial scrub that will leave your face feeling exfoliated and fresh. So let me show you how to do that. First, you're going to take your brown sugar, pour that in. Okay, it's a little solid, so we're going to churn it up a little bit. Next, we're going to take our coffee grounds and add that in. Okay, the reason why we use so much brown sugar is because that's going to lighten the color of our facial scrub. Okay. Next, we're going to take our coconut oil, and if you've noticed, I went on ahead and melted the coconut oil. This will allow us to blend our ingredients better. The brown sugar will add our sticking agent ingredient that will allow us to mix it well. So let's go ahead and pour that in. Now folks, as you can see, the coffee grounds, the brown sugar, and the coconut oil are all blended together. The consistency is supposed to look like moist dirt, pardon the expression, but that's how it needs to look in order for it to go evenly for your scrub around your face. So as you can see, that's all set here. Okay, now this can be used not only as a face scrub, but also as a body scrub as well as an exfoliant, and we'll use the term anti-aging cream, but it removes stretch marks. So in a sense, anti-aging cream. But how does this work in practice, folks? We're going to try it out, and keep this in mind. While this is actually directed to the ladies, gentlemen, we often shave, right? We want to get our goatees and beards, or we like to have a clean shave on our face or our head. Okay, this is a great way of prepping yourself for your shave, so you don't have to worry about those after bumps that come a few hours later, because this will help clean out your pores, keep everything fresh as you're about to do your shave and make yourself look great as you're going out the door. So let's see how this. All right, folks. So we have our pre-made facial scrub here, and for an added exfoliating effect, what I like to use is a bowl of hot water. Okay, and what that allows us to do is to open our pores up. So I've got my bowl of hot water here, and I'm starting to dab my face just a little bit here. Leave that on for a few seconds. You don't want it too hot. Now I use the microwave. I put it on 2 minutes, but that's me. I can handle the heat. Everyone's different. Everyone's skin is different, okay? open up your pores there. You don't need a lot of the scrub, so the great thing about this is it will last. You just use about a quarter size. Take it here, okay? Rub it into your hands and start to dab on your face all over, okay? Rub that in. A little bit more here. Now, if the exfoliating doesn't wake you up in the morning, the smell of fresh coffee grinds will. I'm using Folgers, so that's part of waking up, right? Folgers in your cup. Okay? I'm gonna take my glasses off, folks. Go all around, especially here. A lot of times you'll notice around the temple area, you'll get that acne. So we're gonna do this to clean all that out, clean all those pores out. Okay? Rub it in good. And gentlemen, if you like to go with the shaved head look like I do, you will find that this helps you as well. You can do this as a pre-shave regimen or aftercare. The skin is a canvas and we want to create beautiful art upon it. Rub that in. Okay, rub that in. Get around the eyes. You want to get those eyes all pampered. Get rid of those bags if you haven't. On that note, folks, as much as we pamper our face and skin, remember it's not a replacement for getting a good night's rest. So folks, if you're watching this and it's 1 a.m., finish the video and then turn off your phone, put down your phone, and get some good night rest, because that's the most important thing as we're trying to improve our health and nutrition in the new year. You want to eat right, exercise, pamper yourself, and sleep well. Leave all those worries for another time, and it's your time to regenerate. Rub that in. Okay everyone, so as you can see, all the dead skin here has been removed, okay, leaving a clear complexion. And this will definitely be good for you fellas as you're shaving, help prevent bumps in the future, okay? Now to seal in your face, what you want to do is take some Pond's cream, which is a hydrating, nourishing cream that not only prevents dry skin, but will also help with your de-wrinkling. So you rub this in on your face, okay? Make sure to get those temples, okay? Go around your nose. And this is also good because it's cold outside, winter. You don't want any chapped lips, chapped skin, cracks, anything like that. This is very good for your skin. Your skin loves this. There's vitamin E in it. Some of these have grapefruit seed extract, which is also very good for the skin. Aloe vera. You can get various kinds of Pond's. Pond's has been around for a very long time. It's very good for your skin. So there you go, folks. As you can clearly see here, everything has been rubbed in, nourishing, and it leaves you with a fresh glow, feeling exfoliated, feeling ready to take on your day. And this only takes about 5 minutes to do. You put on the scrub, rub it in, then take warm water, wash it off, then seal in your pores with this wonderful nourishing cream. And that, folks, is Less for More today. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and please share with your friends and family and with anyone who you think could benefit from this video. This is Less for More signing out. Thank you. Take care.